Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ryan and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna shoot our third segment of the You Can Do It video. So let's start. Okay, let's start. For this one, you're gonna need to open your legs first. You're gonna go up 1, 2, cross 3, and up 4. Kick your right, 6, cross, and down. Okay, let's try. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Second move. You're gonna look 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5, 6, 7, 8. For the third move. So 7 and 8. You're gonna face to your left. 1, 2, 3, other side. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And for the last move, you're gonna open your legs. 1, 2, 3, and close. You do the nay-nay. Start with the right. 5, 6, 7, and close. Let's do it everything. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Close. Nay-nay. Down. Good job. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't stop dancing. Always remember, you can do it. Bye bye. We're gonna go walk. It's raining. Yeah. You wanna drink that? Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.